Hello, everyone. Good morning. Let's get started to how to optimize your Agentforce with analytics. I'm Anusha Surapeti. I'm a product management lead with Tableau Next. Before we get started, here's the forward-looking statement again. Please make your purchasing decisions based on currently available functionality. All right. Who here has built an agent so far? Come on, I want to see more hands up. There's been so many hands-on sessions. Everyone should have raised their hand. Okay, how many of you have actually tested your agent? Okay, I see some more hands. And any of you have deployed it in production yet? Wow, great. So I see less hands for that one. But oftentimes we're hearing now that agent builders like yourselves, developers, admins, you want more visibility into how your agents are performing. And specifically, how you should optimize the outcomes, right? You heard about the agent lifecycle yesterday in the keynote. You have questions like, how effectively are my agents performing? How useful are these agents? How should I improve the customer satisfaction? So these are a lot of different types of metrics and insights you want to track. So that's why we're excited to announce Tableau Next. Tableau Next is the next generation of Tableau. It's a completely reimagined analytics experience that's built on the Salesforce platform. And it offers what we call as agentic analytics. So what is agentic analytics? Well, it's really about delivering personalized, contextual, intelligent insights in the flow of your work, wherever that work might be. So it's going to power accurate, context-aware AI with a trusted semantic layer. It's going to augment humans and enrich agents with pre-built analytic skills. You can create, share, and reuse all of these skills in an open API platform. And all of this is now available with Tableau Plus. Let's dive a little bit deeper. So Tableau Next, as I mentioned, is actually built now on Salesforce platform. And it's built on the Data Cloud. So Data Cloud offers the hyperscale data layer and a 360 view of your customers, right? And now we have a semantic layer. So you might have heard about it a little bit in the other booths in here, but the semantic layer is going to give meaning to your data in Data Cloud. And it's going to be the trusted foundation for AI. And on top of that, you can build visualizations, things that you're used to, dashboards, metrics, and all these things. And one of the neat things now with Tableau Next, now that we're in the platform, is we get Agentforce. We're going to be getting pre-built analytic skills. It's going to empower every user. So whether you're a data pro, you're prepping for data, cleaning data, or you're a business user looking for getting more conversational insights or proactive alerts, we're going to empower all the users. And these pre-built analytic skills can be used for any agent. So whether it's a sales agent, service agent, or a custom agent that you're building, you can leverage these pre-built skills there. So what we're excited to announce is we have an agent analytics app that's coming with Tableau Next. So with this agent analytics app, it's coming out of the box with Agentforce. So if you have Agentforce, you get this app. So it's going to be great, and it's going to help you monitor the agent performance, so the usage, feedback of all your agents. You can also drill down into what topics are working, what actions are working on these specific agents. And it's built on Tableau Next. So it offers this capability of agentic analytics, where you can ask questions in natural language and get trusted responses back. And you also get recommended actions based on that data. And it's embedded in the user's workflows. So if you're a service manager, you can see it in your service console. If you want to just look at it in Data Cloud, you can do that. And it's available now, actually. So if you have the service agent deployed on Service Cloud with that, it's available today. You can go and install it. And the agent analytics, which I'll do a demo shortly, that's becoming available in June, and that's going to work for any agent. So our hope is to have one tool where you can monitor, observe, supervise your AI agents. I mean, today, we have to supervise humans. So now we're in the next generation. We have to supervise the AI agents as well. So let's dive a little bit deeper. So regarding the service agent analytics, we're improving this as we get into the summer. This is going to be targeted for a few different personas. As a service leader, you want to understand overall what's the performance of these AI service agents. You want to track your agent health scores, your deflection rates, and CSAT. And as a supervisor, you'll be more interested in the optimization phase. So you want to take a closer look at how useful are these agents and how do you manage ineffective topics and actions. And we're also going to be offering technical metrics. So if you want to do like real-time monitoring, latency, those type of metrics. And as I mentioned, we can start talking to your data with the data concierge as a pre-built skill. With the sales coach, so you might have heard about the sales agents coming. We have SDR, sales coach. For its sales coach, for the service, for the sales leaders, you're going to be getting a coach adoption rate. The idea with the sales coach agent is really how do you coach with this AI coach so that we can win more deals? So how do you drive the opportunity win rate and gauge that agent's performance there? The sales manager can also get a better understanding overall how is their team doing, right? Like how is this coaching, AI coaching helping with that? So they can start taking a look at how many of their sales reps are using the coach and winning deals with this. The SDR agent, so sales dev SDR. So again, sales leaders here can take a look at how are these agents helping with my overall business outcomes, like pipeline generated, amount closed, to understand how effective these agents are. And for sales managers, you can dive into the specific metrics of emails sent, replied. How does this affect the productivity of the sales reps? So just a quick peek into the roadmap. There's a lot coming up in this area, actually, as we're looking at Agentforce optimizing and observing. So we're taking a closer look at how you can drill down into the usage feedback. We have sales and service agents coming now in the summer. We would like to link this into the Interaction Explorer where you can actually drill into the conversation specifically. So we want to give it as one tool where you can observe all the agents, dive down into the usage, feedback, interactions, and real-time monitoring of the agents. And as we get into winter, there's a lot more agents, whether it's a custom agent, more agents that Salesforce is developing out of the box. So all of those are also going to get out-of-the-box metrics on how they're doing and how you adopt to this. One of the other things we've been hearing about is the cost analysis. So as you're looking at, okay, how useful are these agents? What's the cost associated with this? So we're planning to add those cost-related metrics as well into this application. And more agents coming up. So as more agents come up, we'll add more usage and feedback here. Great, so let's go ahead and jump into a demo. Let's say I'm John. I'm a service leader, right, at Acme, and I use Slack. And Slack's great because I can easily look at my data, how is it going. So I actually get an automatic alert here. Escalation rates have been increasing than last month. So this is a metric, and this looks quite alarming, but I have to go jump into a meeting. So what I do is I'm going to go ahead and forward this to my supervisor, John Frank. John here is going to take a closer look at what's happening with this metric. So he's going to go here into the application. So he's in Data Cloud. And in the Data Cloud home application, he takes a look at the service agents overall that's been deployed in his company. And in the overview page, he's taking a look at the agent health score, which gives the overall performance of all the service agents. And also the deflection rate, escalation rate. So deflection rate is, hey, how many conversations has this AI agent been able to deflect, right? And escalation is how many have been escalated to a human agent. So you can get more metrics around these type of information. So he saw that this rate has been going up. So he's going to go ahead and actually dive deeper into this. And this is Tableau Next. So you can dive deeper into your metrics. You can get automatic insights. So he's going to take a look at what's causing this escalation rate. And he notices that the refund agent has not been doing great compared to the other agents. So that's a good insight to automatically get. But now let's actually take a closer look at that agent. So I'm going to go and filter on this agent here. And let's go into the Agent Effectiveness tab. And this is all live, by the way, so fingers crossed for me. And as we go into Agent Effectiveness tab, we're taking a look at the sessions, right? How many sessions were there? Conversations are happening. So the escalated sessions have been quite a lot compared to last time. So let's take a closer look at what are the actions and topics related to this. So again, I go drill down on this metric, and I can see that the credit card refund is the topic that's been escalating. And if I look at the suggested questions down here, I can even take a look at the action. So the refund amount is the action that looks like we might need to tweak that action because it's causing a lot of escalation rates. So let's go ahead, go back. And one of the other things I want to show you was how do we take a look at the feedback? So you might have noticed that the agents have like thumbs up, thumbs down. You can start tracking those things as well. But before we do that, let's actually dive a little bit closer into the specific things that we found. So we said the refund agent hasn't been doing well, and specifically the credit card refund, right? And and in this action around the refund amount. So we can go dive deeper here. And for that specific agent and topic and action, you can take a look at what's going on, what's the feedback. So let's go do that. And we can see the positive feedback, negative feedback, the feedback rates, right? So there has been some negative feedback into this agent. So this gives me enough confidence now that I should probably go do something about this. This agent and this topic and action specifically, there's some challenges happening. So I can go take a look at, and now I'm navigated from the dashboard into the agent builder experience, right, where I can see the actions and topics. And I can take a look at the refund amount. So I can start editing this action as I've seen that there's some issues. And the idea is like the insights will drive you to take these actions, and hopefully the escalation rates will start going down. So that's the power, of Tableau Next and how you can start optimizing your agents, right, and monitor how it's going. Great. So as we saw, how many actions I took, here's a call to action for all of you. As I mentioned, right, if you have Service Cloud and you're already testing service agents, this app is actually available already, so you can go ahead and install it. It's included with your additions. And as you get into the summer, one of the things we're starting now is the experience I just demoed. That's available in pilot. So you can talk to your AE or you can message me or one of the PMs in my team. We can get you on the pilot right now as you can start kind of testing and monitoring all these things. If you're interested to learn more about Tableau Next, which is, again, our next generation Tableau built on Salesforce, you can join me. We have a hands-on session later today at 1 o'clock, and you can learn about how, just overall about the platform and how we're starting to embed insights in applications anywhere and also within agents. So that's a little bit about Tableau Next and the Agent Analytics app. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please let me know.